Welcome to Clones TV. I'm your boy Trey Watts. Well, we both Trey Watts. Let's unbox the Nike Dunk High WuTang 2024. Let's go. Man, I was trying to get those Jordan 9 Olives. Your boy didn't hit on them. So I said, you know what? Let me try my luck with these, man. And ooh, wow. Okay. Okay. It's fire. It's fire. It's fire. Ooh. They fire, man. I don't know. I think we need to keep them. Man. What you think? What I think? We gonna keep them. 150? That's it? Man, when they dropped, everybody went to stock X. It went up to like a little bit over 300. And I'm like, I'm gonna flip them. But now I went on there today, they bought a little bit over 230. I'm gonna keep them, man. I mean, I'm not a big fan of WuTang. I love yellow and I like yellow and black colors. We not a fan of Dunks. We more of a fan of Jordans, but yeah, we gonna find something to rock these with, man. These hot WuTang logo there, WuTang logo on the tongue. We gon' keep them. So what say y'all? Are these hot? Are they trash? Did y'all get them or did y'all pass? Let your boy know down there in the comments section below. All right, we out. Peace.